How to migrate FreshBooks into Wave app. Switching from FreshBooks to Wave, here's the easy step-by-step migration guide. Start by exporting your data from FreshBooks. Download CSV files for clients, invoices, payments, and expenses. Open the CSV file in Excel or Google Sheets, clean up column names and formats to match Wave's import requirements. So go ahead and open up Wave app on another tab and then go ahead and sign into your account. Go ahead and go to data import and upload each CSV file. Map columns correctly for clients, invoices, and transactions. Connect your bank and credit card accounts in Wave, and then run profit and loss and balance sheet reports in Wave. Compare them with FreshBooks report to confirm accuracy. Note attachments like receipts won't migrate and recurring invoices must be set up again in Wave. Migration is straightforward: export, clean, import, reconcile. Wave is free and simple, while FreshBooks is stronger for client billing. And that is how to migrate FreshBooks into the Wave app.